Well, what's really remarkable is that the conversations we had like a month ago was all about AI, rates are going down, the Fed will have to cut, the unemployment rate is going up, we're all becoming unemployed. And now we suddenly have a distribution of outcomes where the market is pricing that we may have a higher likelihood of a hike. It is truly unusual. But it is, of course, because the market putting weight on higher oil prices. We also have some upward pressure on inflation from tariffs. We also have some upward pressure on inflation coming from generally the economy still doing remarkably well. So the Fed is in this difficult spot where on the one hand, yes, the economy is doing well, and adding on top of that an oil price shock. And on the other hand, we still have the AI discussions, which we'll surely come back to discuss for, again, the very, very long period of time. So that conversation at the moment is just telling you that there is now also some worries about that maybe the Fed will have to hike. I still think that's extremely unlikely, mainly because Kevin Walsh will not come in as the first thing and hike rates. And also the economy, if anything, when we have had an oil price shock, it comes with a risk of demand destruction and ultimately, therefore, a slowdown in growth.
In today's explosive AI-driven economy, smart investors are looking beyond the obvious names to the companies building the actual backbone of tomorrow's technology. From advanced semiconductor manufacturing and cloud computing platforms to innovative digital asset strategies, these leaders combine massive scale, technological moats, and powerful growth tailwinds. After reviewing the latest Q4 FY2025 results, industry updates, and forward catalysts as of late March 2026, here are the top 3 stocks standing out for their strategic positioning and upside potential. TSMC TSM, the indispensable foundry powering the entire AI revolution. Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company, TSMC, stands as the world's most critical contract chipmaker, producing the advanced semiconductors that power everything from NVIDIA GPUs to high-performance AI accelerators. Its unmatched expertise in leading-edge process nodes gives it a near monopoly on cutting-edge manufacturing, creating an incredibly durable moat as AI demand surges. In its Q4 2025 results announced mid-January 2026, TSMC delivered strong performance with revenue reaching $33.73 billion in USD terms, up 25.5% year-over-year and 1.9% sequentially. Gross margin expanded to 62.3%, up 2.8 percentage points sequentially. Operating margin hit 54%. And diluted EPS came in at 19 new Taiwan dollars and 50 cents, about $3 and 14 cents per ADR. Advanced technologies, 7 nanometers and below, accounted for 77% of wafer revenue, with 3 nanometers contributing 28%, driven heavily by high-performance computing, HPC, which made up 55% of total revenue thanks to insatiable AI demand. Management is aggressively scaling capacity with 2026 capex guided at $52 to $56 billion, the majority directed toward advanced nodes and packaging. They forecast overall revenue growth near 30% in USD terms for 2026, while projecting AI-related revenue to grow at a mid to high 50% CAGR through 2029. With tight capacity, extended engagement cycles with customers, and continued strength in 3 nanometers and 5 nanometers processes, TSMC remains the ultimate pick-and-shovel play for the multi-trillion-dollar AI infrastructure build-out. For investors seeking long-term stability with explosive growth exposure, TSMC offers a compelling core holding. Microsoft MSFT, the AI cloud and software powerhouse delivering consistent wins. Microsoft has evolved into one of the clearest beneficiaries of enterprise AI adoption through its Azure cloud platform, Copilot tools, and broad software ecosystem. Its ability to monetize AI across productivity, intelligent cloud, and business applications gives it recurring revenue streams and high operating leverage. In fiscal Q2 2026 ended December 31st, 2025, reported late January 2026, Microsoft posted revenue of $81.3 billion, up 17% year-over-year, 15% constant currency. Intelligent cloud revenue grew strongly, driven by Azure, while the overall Microsoft cloud surpassed $50 billion in the quarter for the first time, up 26%. Adjusted EPS reached $4.14, up meaningfully year-over-year, with operating income rising 21%. The company continues to invest heavily in AI infrastructure, CapEx nearly doubled in recent periods, while returning significant capital to shareholders through dividends and buybacks. CEO Satya Nadella and the team highlight accelerating AI use cases and an AI-first differentiation that helps customers unlock ROI. Dan Ives from Wedbush has been particularly bullish, calling 2026 Microsoft inflection year for AI growth and noting that the street may be underestimating Azure expansion by 15 to 20%. With a massive commercial backlog and broad enterprise adoption of Copilot and Azure AI services, Microsoft blends defensive software strength with high-growth AI tailwinds, making it a favorite large-cap name for the year ahead. BitMine Immersion Technologies, BMNR, the bold Ethereum Treasury and staking play with high-upside crypto leverage. BitMine Immersion Technologies, BMNR, operates as a blockchain-focused company with a unique strategy centered on building a massive Ethereum treasury, staking operations, and related digital asset services. While smaller and more volatile in the first two, it offers higher risk, higher reward exposure to the broader crypto and Ethereum ecosystem, which many see as intertwined with AI and decentralized computing trends. In recent March 2026 updates, BitMine highlighted substantial holdings, reporting total crypto, cash, and moonshots approaching $11 billion, including millions of ETH staked through its newly launched Mobin, Made in America Validated Network, institutional staking platform. The company is generating meaningful staking rewards, projected near $300 million annually at current yields, and continues to expand its Ethereum-focused treasury strategy alongside BTC ecosystem services. Recent news includes acquisitions to power staking infrastructure and analyst price target increases, e.g., to $33 from B. Riley. BMNR's model blends immersion cooling technology heritage with aggressive digital asset management, appealing to investors bullish on Ethereum's long-term role in decentralized applications. While it carries higher volatility tied to crypto prices and regulatory developments, its growing scale in staking and treasury operations positions it as an opportunistic play for those seeking asymmetric upside in the digital economy alongside traditional AI infrastructure names. The AI revolution isn't just about flashy models. It's being built on advanced chip manufacturing like TSMC, powerful cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure, and innovative digital asset strategies like BitMine's Ethereum Treasury approach. Together, these three stocks offer a diversified way to participate in the infrastructure, software, and ecosystem layers powering 2026 and beyond. Of course, all investments carry risk, from geopolitical factors for TSMC, execution and valuation for Microsoft, to crypto volatility for BMNR. Always do your own thorough research. Consider your risk tolerance and time horizon. And remember, this is not personalized financial advice. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, and markets can move quickly. Which of these three are you most excited about adding to your watch list? The Foundry King TSMC, the AI cloud leader Microsoft, or the Ethereum staking play BMNR? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this breakdown helped clarify the opportunities, hit that like button. Subscribe for more timely stock analysis with the latest earnings and news, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big setup. Let's navigate the AI supercycle and build real wealth together in 2026 and beyond.